Welcome students to our maths class. In this video, we will learn all about weight measurements. You must have seen these tools in some market. These are called beam balance and these are the weights that we use in this balance to measure items. Whenever we are going to buy some fruits or vegetables, generally we use this balance and we measure the item. But when we have to measure our own body weight, we stand on these weighing scales to measure our own body weight. So these are simple tools of measurement of weight. Now let us understand there are two basic units that we come across while measurement of weight. That is kilograms and grams. Kilograms is used for bigger amount of things and grams is used for smaller things. Just like if we buy carrots, we generally buy 1 or 2 kilograms of carrot. So we can measure it in kg. And when we have to buy cookies or biscuits, some lightweight item, we generally use grams. Like whenever we buy a pack of chips, it's generally 100 grams of chips or 200 grams of chips in one packet. And when we are buying fruits, they are generally in kilograms. Vegetables also in kilograms. Similarly, rice, sugar, wheat, these are all measured in, they are in big in quantity, they are measured in kilograms. So remember, kilograms is the bigger unit of weight, which is used for heavier materials, and grams is a smaller unit of weight, which is used for lightweight items. And one more interesting point here is 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So this means using this relation, we can convert kilograms to grams or gram weight to kilogram weight. Let us see how to do conversion of units. So the rule is very simple. We have to remember to convert kilograms to gram, we multiply by 1000. Suppose, like we already know, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So 7 kilograms will be equal to 7 into 1000, that is 7000 grams. And example, if we have this 7 kgs 369 is to be converted into grams. So what do? We'll convert kg into grams and then add this 369 in it. So 7 into 1000 is 7000 plus 369. So the answer becomes 7369 grams. Just to remember, kilograms to gram multiply by 1000. Now suppose if we have to do reverse, that is grams we have to convert into kilograms. Then we will divide by 1000. For example, 4583 grams is to be converted into kilograms. We will divide it by 1000 and follow the rule of magic line. 4583 divided by 1000, so we will get the answer 4 kg 583 grams. So remember, rule of conversion, multiply by 1000 when we have to convert kg to grams and divide by 1000 when we have to convert grams to kilograms. Now let us see when we are supposed to add some measurement of weights. The question says add 5 kg 460 grams and 12 kg 320 grams. So what do we have to do? Write the weights in columns. So we'll write kg column separate, grams column separate, and then write the weights also carefully in it, and we have to specify the units also carefully. So 5 kg we'll write in the kg column, 460 grams in the grams column, and then plus 12 kg in the kg column and 320 in the grams column. You can see I've added one 0 here. This is to make the number of digits same in the columns. And this helps in addition or subtraction of units. So let us now add. 0 plus 0 gives us 0, 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 3, 7. So 780 grams. This is in the grams column. 5 plus 2, 7. 0 plus 1, 1. So 17 kilograms. So our final answer is 17 kilograms, 780 grams. Now let us move on to subtraction of weights. Now if we have to subtract the weight, for example, question says subtract 124 kilograms 500 grams from 200 grams. So first step, always write the weights in columns. So we'll prepare the columns, kg column and grams column carefully. And while subtraction, one more important thing is that always bigger weight should be written on top to subtract. Now here the question is 124 from 200. So 200 is the bigger number. We'll write it on top, 200 in the kg column. And no gram is given in this, so we'll add 3 zeros in the grams column. And then subtract from it 124 kgs in the kg column and 500 grams in the grams column. Now let us do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 gives us 0. 0 minus 0 again 0. And for this we have to borrow. So we'll borrow from 2, it becomes 1. This becomes 9. This is again 9 and this is 10. 10 minus 5 becomes 5 here. 9 minus 4 gives us 5 here. 9 minus 2 gives us 7. And 1 minus 1 gives us 0. So our final answer is 75 kilograms and 500 grams. Just remember to write the units carefully in the proper column and then do the addition or subtraction. Now let us move on to some interesting story problem or the math stories. Generally, whenever we go for shopping or buying vegetables, we buy many things together. So you have ordered to a vegetable seller and he is measuring for you. Vegetable vendor weighs tomatoes 12 kgs, potatoes 5 kgs 250 grams and cabbage 1 kilogram 200 grams. So find out the total weight of vegetables. So total weight of all the vegetables can be found by adding it all together. First step, write it in proper columns. Kilogram column separate and grams column separate. So weight of tomatoes 12 kilograms in the kilogram column and 000 grams. Always there can be maximum 3 digits in the gram column. So we'll place 3 zeros here since no grams is given with the tomato weight. Now weight of potato 5 kg. So we'll place 5 and 0 here to make the same number of digits in the column, one below the other. And 250 grams in the grams column. Similarly, weight of cabbage 1 kilogram. So we'll write 0 and 1 in the kilogram section and 200 grams in the grams column. Now let us add it all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 here. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5 here. 0 plus 2 plus 2, 4. So 450 grams. 2 plus 5 plus 1 gives us 8. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. So 18 kg, 450 grams is the total weight of vegetables that you have bought from the vegetable vendor. I hope you understood the concept, that very important to write it in proper columns. Now let us see one more interesting story. Your mother had, suppose, 5 kilograms of sugar and she used 1 kilogram 250 grams to make delicious sweets for you. Find out how much sugar is left with her. For this, left sugar can be calculated by subtracting. So first of all, let us prepare two columns, kg and grams column separate. Then mother had sugar 5 kilograms and sugar she used was 1 kg 250 grams. So sugar left with her can be found by subtracting 1 kg 250 grams from 5 kilograms. So let us write it. In the kg column, 5 kg and 000 grams. Again subtract minus 1 kg in the kg column, 250 grams in the grams column. Now let us do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0 here. For this column we need to borrow. So 5 becomes 4, this becomes 9, and this is 10 minus 5 gives us 5. 9 minus 2 gives us 7, so 750 grams. And 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So 3 kgs, 750 grams of sugar is left with your mother. I hope you have understood how to solve story problems and basic simple addition and subtraction of measurement of weights. And always remember, the conversion of kilogram to grams we will multiply by 1000, and grams to kilograms we will divide by 1000. If you remember these simple basic rules, you will be able to solve all the questions related with weight measurement. Thank you for watching.